Hello and welcome you all. Myself, Dhananjay Patil, lecturer, Kikawak Institute of Pharmacy, Nashik. Today we are going to learn about Drugs and Cosmetics Act 1940 and Rules 1945 Part 8. Chapter 4 Provisions related to manufacturer, loan licensing, repackaging license, then offences or penalties related to manufacturing, then manufacture of cosmetics. So chapter 4 Manufacture, Sale and Distribution of Drugs and Cosmetics. So in which we are going to learn about manufacture. So loan licensing. Loan license, a person applicant who does not have his own arrangement factory for manufacture but who wish to manufacturing facility owned by another licensee. Such licenses are called as loan license. Loan licenses are issued for drugs other than specified in Schedule C, C1 and Schedule X. Drugs specified in Schedule C, C1. Procedure for license. A license is obtained from licensing authority, Food and Drug Control Administration. On application is prescribed Form 24A and 27A with prescribed fee 6,000 and 1,500. If the condition fulfilled, then license is issued in a prescribed Form 25A and 28A. Condition to be fulfilled. Application must be supported by parent firm. Drug inspector inspect the premises of parent firm and assess the spare capacity. Loan license is required to test each batch of raw material and finished product. Record of testing should be maintained for 5 years and 2 years in case of expiry dated drug. If the license of the parent firm is cancelled, suspended, the loan license will also be deemed to be suspended or cancelled. Patent or proprietary medicine should contain the constituent in therapeutic or prophylactic quantities. Patent medicine should be safe for use in the context of vehicles and additives. The ingredient and their quantities must have therapeutic justification. Repackaging license. Definition: process of breaking up any drug from a bulk container into small packages and labeling with a view to their sale and distribution. Repackaging of drug is granted of a drug other than Schedule C, C1 and X. Procedure for license. A license is obtained from licensing authority, Food and Drug Control Administration on application in prescribed Form 24B with prescribed fees rupees 500 and 200. If the condition fulfilled, then license is issued in a prescribed Form 25B. Penalties are related to manufacturer. So these are offences and penalties related to the manufacturer provisions under the D&C Act. Offences: manufacture of any spurious drug. Penalties include 1 to 3 years of imprisonment and 5,000 rupees fine, 2 to 6 year imprisonment and 10,000 fine on subsequent conviction. Manufacture of adulterated drug, 1 year of imprisonment and rupees 2,000 of fine, 2 years of imprisonment and rupees 2,000 of fine for subsequent conviction. Manufacture of drug in contravention of the provision, imprisonment up to 3 months and rupees 500 fine, imprisonment up to 6 months and rupees 1,000 fine on subsequent conviction. Manufacturing of cosmetics. Prohibited for the following classes of drug: misbranded or spurious cosmetics and the substandard quality. Cosmetics containing hexachlorophene or mercury compounds, these are also prohibited. Cosmetic containing color which contain more than 2 ppm of arsenic, 20 ppm of lead, 100 ppm of heavy metals. High preparation containing coal tar color. Offences and penalties related to manufacturing of cosmetics. Manufacture of spurious cosmetics, 3 years of imprisonment and fine, then contravention of the provisions, then 1 year of imprisonment and rupees 2,000 of fine. Thank you so much.